Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off traction control in Forza Horizon 6. Now, traction control is, a feature that is in Forza Horizon 6, and its aim is to help your car, improve its stability and, traction on the road if your tires were to lose control. Now, it's handy if you want to have a very well performing and handling car. However, if you want to do drifts, it makes it quite tricky. So currently I have traction control off, and as you can see, if I accelerate, you can see, and try to attempt some drifts, you can see it's being activated if you look in the bottom right, the TCR. Now, if I wanted to turn it off, let me just cancel this. All you need to do is enter your settings, difficulty, and there it is right there, traction control. Just switch that to off. Make sure you save. And just like that, you can see the option is actually removed from your speedometer, and it makes it a lot easier to drift. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. See ya.